Victor, how come you have not jumped on this Don't Leave Me challenge? Is it that you don't have any wisdom to share? Share wisdom with me now, make I shout, don't leave me, don't leave me.
This girl, can you undo my wisdom? You know I'm a man of wisdom. You see this my bald head? It's because a busy road does not grow grass. I think a lot. My head is always busy. Can you undo my wisdom?
Okay, Victor, bring it on. I'm ready.
I'm an engineer. People call me engineer all through the days when I was hustling. As soon as I made my big break and I started making a lot of money, people started calling me a carpenter. What do you think about that?
Carpenter. Let me think. Oh, that means you have hammer, and it's carpenter that use hammer. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Victor loves football. Anything that concerns football, Victor loves it. The only channel he watches on cable TV are football channels. Now I want to ask you a question. Victor is always happy anytime he sees what? What does he see that makes him happy? Victor is always happy anytime he sees what?
Victor loves football, so he's always happy anytime he sees ball. Oh, Victor, he see ball. Victor, he see ball. Victor, he see ball. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Give me more wisdom.
This girl, leave me alone. I will injure you with wisdom. I will wound you with wisdom, oh. I met this very pretty girl, and throughout our conversation, she asked me, what kind of car do I drive? She asked me if I had money. She kept on asking about money and car, until she told me her name. Her name contained both money and car at the same time. I was like, oh, no wonder she loves money and car. What is the girl's name?
Money and car, money and car. Monica, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, Monica.
I am a politician. I want to be a governor. I want to be the governor of my state. But all the political leaders say I am too handsome, that it is impossible for me to be the governor of my state because I am handsome. What state in Nigeria am I from?
This one is easy, Edo State, Edo State. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
There is one stupid challenge that is trending now. You are not holding the person. You are not touching the person. Yet the person will be shouting, don't leave me. What is the name of that challenge?
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
If my girlfriend's name is Nancy and I impregnated her, does that make it a pregnancy?
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, pregnancy.
Everybody knows I'm not a responsible guy. So recently, I got a girl pregnant. Since I'm not responsible, does that mean I am not responsible for the pregnancy?
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Victor Isibo Reviews channel. Give this video a like so that YouTube will recommend it more. Till I see you next time, I remain the animated version of Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.